Our focus is to help girls see that this is a path that is worth exploring. And so what we do is do activities in schools and in after school activities. Women engineers that work in this field, and so that they act as an example for these children. And also the activities, oftentimes they focus like examples of women working in technology fields. So the idea is to inspire these new generations. Even if we were a team of women, we encountered many of the biases that women find in the workspace, specifically in our sector. And it was then when something clicked. Maybe young girls see this field as something too difficult, or that they will be alone. The age at which we start closing our options, it's very early, like at 5-6 years. It's when girls specifically start thinking about the path that they want to take, and they are like narrowing their vision on what they can become. We have found a very good response, but to have this change implemented everywhere, so it's going to take years, so that they take that into account in all the school's curriculum. 50 or 60 years, I think it's going to take for sure. And we don't have these years because, as all the newspapers say, so we are having the need for ICT and technology knowledge in companies. It's growing every year, so it's very urgent to have not only girls but people with this kind of capabilities. And if we lose half of the population and we only have men, it's impossible to reach the numbers that we need.